In this tutorial, you will learn how to create schedule tasks in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the right sidebar of your Plesk account, click on the Schedule Tasks option. You can see or change your time zone before you schedule the task. Just click on the Settings button and see, or select your time zone from the list. Now click on the Add Tasks button. Now, click on the Options button and select the type of task you want the Plesk to perform. For instance, I want to run a PHP script. Specify the full path to the PHP script on the server. You can also select the PHP script through the folder icon. Select the PHP version from the drop-down list that will be used to run the PHP script. You can specify when and how often you want the task to run. By default, scheduled tasks will be run daily at midnight. Enter a description. By clicking on these option buttons, you can notify how often and who to send a notification to. I leave the default setting. When ready, click OK. That's it, the task has been successfully created. It will run until it is removed. Thank you for watching.